flicker faint, a fragile light underneath a velvet sky. I wait. A million suns are burning bright. They rise, they fall, they fill the night. Oh, how they shine, oh, how they run. A million dreams, a million suns. The strings arrive, they hum, they sigh. A whisper soft, a question why. The bassline pulses steady, low. In time it bends, it stretches thin. Where does it end? Where to begin? A million suns are burning bright. They rise, they fall, they fill the night. Oh, how they shine, oh, how they run. A million dreams, a million suns. Shimmering, shimmering echoes grow. A sea of stars, a golden glow. I chase the light, I chase the sound. I'm weightless now. I leave the ground. Frost on the window, it dances slow. Footprints on the sidewalk covered in snow. The lights are tangled like our thoughts tonight. Candles flicker, shadows tall, echoes down the empty hall. Oh, the air is cold, but my heart's aglow with every flake that falls. Christmas magic stealing the show. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow. Repeating strums lightly like a breeze in spring. Soft piano notes dance as the xylophone rings. The rhythm skips, the melody sings. A playful rise, the sun and sound. Every stitch finds joy around. Harmony hums where peace is found. Strings weave softly like threads in hand. Your cushion taps like feet on sand. Each note a stitch in a joyful